Hello everyone, welcome back to Pooja's recipes. Today I'm going to show you a very nice and quick recipe of green chutney. Simple green chutney with coriander, mint and other spices. It's really very nice to have with sandwiches, any fritters or anything, paratha also. It enhances the taste as we know. It's really quick and simple and you can store it for few days in the fridge, and also you can also store in the freezer for like around 1 month. So let's start making it. Let's start making it now. Let me show you the ingredients. This is 1 bunch of green coriander. This is like thoroughly cleaned, washed properly, and also I've also used this thin stems. Don't discard the stems because it has very good flavor to give to chutney or to sabjis. Don't discard. If they are too thick, then you can discard. Otherwise, if they are this tender and delicate, you can use them. This is this 1 handful of mint leaves, fresh mint leaves. These are also washed properly. 1 green chili, 1 piece of ginger, lemon juice, 1 or 1.5 lemons of lemon juice, salt, cumin seeds. This is save. This is any namkeen, you can take anything, bhujia or any namkeen. I have taken this thin save, and this is black salt, and we will also use some water if we need. I've already put this coriander leaves in this, and this is mint leaves. This is around 2 teaspoons of nylon save, 1 teaspoon of jeera. This is black salt. This is also around 1 teaspoon. Normal salt also half a teaspoon. This green chilies, a piece of ginger and lemon juice, and a pinch of hing if you want. This is optional. I like the flavor of hing a little bit in this. If you want, you can just add a little bit pinch, or otherwise you can just avoid it. A very little pinch. Also, we are going to add little bit of water. Don't add too much. Little bit, just to grind it properly. Now we are just going to grind this. Everything is inside this jar. We are just going to grind it now, and the chutney will be ready. We have blended this chutney already. Let's see how this. Oh, look at the color, beautiful green color. Consistency is also perfect. Not very thick and not very runny. So this chutney is ready to serve. So I've served this chutney. How beautiful it looks. The consistency is also very perfect, and you can enjoy with sandwiches, parathas or anything. It's going to enhance the flavor so much. I hope you enjoyed this quick recipe of chutney. Please do try and comment, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.